In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on your Mac. What we're going to do is create a whole new application, which may sound scary, but it's quite easy. So first what we want to do is head up to the Spotlight search and search out Automator. And now with Automator up, you want to click Application here in the top and then come down and select Choose. Now the first thing we want to search out here in the search box is Get Specific URL. Now with this brought up here, you want to click it once and hold it and drag it into this box here. Now you want to copy and paste in this Netflix login page. So we'll double click this website here and then we'll paste over the Netflix login page. All this will be left in the description below. Now we want to search out something else, so we'll clear this search and this time we'll search out Display Web Pages. Now with this brought up, you want to click it once and drag it into this box again. Now that's all we need to do with that application. Now we need to search out something again, so we'll X that away to clear the search and search out Run Apple Script. Now what we're going to do again is click it once, hold it and drag it into this box. You want to highlight all the scripts and then delete it. Now you want to copy this script and paste it into this Run Apple Script. Again, this script and all the other information will be left in the description below. Now with that all done, you want to come up to File and Export, and you want to name this Netflix and save it to the desktop and then click Save. Now we can X this away now. The script has been made. So as you can see, it does not look like a Netflix application. So what we want to do is find a Netflix logo on the internet. You can use Google to search out for a Netflix logo, or I'll leave a link in the description below. And once you find one, you want to right click and copy image. Now on the application on your desktop, you want to right click this and then select Get Info. Now with this information up, you want to click this little logo here in the top left hand corner, then come up to Edit and then Paste. And now that's pasted that logo over the application and it's looking much more like a Netflix application. Now we want to put the application onto the dock. You want to drag it onto the dock. Now the first time you open the application, you will get these warning messages. You want to click OK through them and then exit away and then come and select Open System Preferences. This is allowing your Mac to use the application properly. So now this will bring up the security and privacy. You want to unlock this page in the bottom left hand corner by clicking the padlock and then tick the Netflix logo. Then we can X this page away, and now when you bring up Netflix, it will all work perfectly. And that is how to install Netflix on your Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.